Hi, we're Darby and Ro, and Cosmo. We're currently travelling Australia in our self-converted van. We upload videos every week about our travels and the ups and downs of living in a van. This is what we got up to this week.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants! I'd like to get your opinion on this. I think this cow is clearly yellow and Rowan thinks it's green. Sorry, it's a bit dirty, but I need your opinion. Is this yellow or is it green? We just went shopping with a few gift cards we got, and we got this huge bag of stuff. And we're gonna do a little haul. Rowan and Cosmo are just currently on a walk, so they'll be back any minute, and I'm sure they'd love to help me show you. Firstly, a few things that are already out of the bag. This little toy for Cosmo. Rowan was doing that all through the shops and it was so embarrassing because it's so loud. And I got 2 books. If you've been watching the previous videos, you will know that I'm really into reading at the moment. So I got The Honeymooners by Christina Lauren and The Hating Game by Sally Thorne. Now, I'm not on TikTok, but there's a thing called BookTok, and it basically just shows like all the popular like romance books that are, you know, going around at the moment, and these 2 are definitely in that, so I'm definitely going to give these a go. I recently got into reading by watching Rachel Catherine, one of my favourite YouTubers, and now I'm watching Hayley Pham, this girl called Destiny, this other girl called Sarah. I had no idea that that part of YouTube existed. Hello.
You need your rockers stand?
Yep. Don't out me like that. What I was trying to say was I never knew that booktube was a thing until I watched Rachel Catherine's videos, so yeah, that's what I was trying to spit out before the door opened. His feet could come on, it's wet dirty anyway.
We're gonna have to clean it.
Oh! I also said that you did that all through the shops and it was really, really annoying.
I thought it was funny.
I know you thought it was funny, that's what made it annoying. Alright, what did you get?
Tell them about.
Yes! Look at these little booties I got for Cosmo.
I'm not gonna wear them.
They're so cute. We're gonna have to put them on him. And just, he might wear them. I'm so excited. Imagine these little shoes on Cosmo's feet. Hey bud, the boots? Oh, see, he's excited for them.
I got shirts.
How many? 5 shirts, very
5
nice.
days of the week, 5 shirts.
Perfect.
And these.
And these, lovely. He's loving that toy. I got some sunnies. Hopefully these ones will fit my face a little bit better. Thanks, Cosmo. Thanks.
Is good, bud?
Oh, God. Okay, I'm getting a headache. And that is everything we got. I'm not going to be able to get another word in, so I'm going to end it here, and Cosmo will continue playing with his new toy, and it will continue being so loud in here. Okay, bye. These are Cosmo's new socks. Oh, bud, do you like them?
Yeah, bud. Let's cover these dirty feet. There you go.
Do you like them?
Look them straight off.
They're so cute. Oh no. Do you not like them?
Do you want them off, bud?
We can take them off.
Yeah.
Thanks for trying, bud.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, very cute. Wow. See, Cosmo, that could have been you. Look how good they look.
Jealous, bud?
Oh, very nice. What do you think, Cosmo?
Even I should be wearing these.
He just wants to take him off. Oh, good job. Oh, he wants to wrestle. Oh. What are they doing?
Everyone's like, oh shit. They see someone go one way and they jump in that way.
I don't know if they're broken down or what.
Jesus, this blue's one really.
Yeah, I think they are broken.
It's blue.
Yeah, I think it is. They've got their hazards on.
Oh, it's
Yeah. God, in the middle of really busy 4-lane traffic. Oh no. God, I would die if I was them. Oh, poor thing.
Probably just adjusting her radio.
No, she's not. I'm sure she's broken. We were on our way to the campsite for the night and we found some mountain lookout. And we've just parked and we're about to walk the 700 meters up this really steep hill. So wish us luck. This 5 the walk up, me only just. Pretty cool here. You should see my DIY tripod right now. I mentioned in the last vlog that we were going to go to Noosa, and we did, and it really just did not meet our expectations at all. It was so busy, there was nowhere to find a park, there were so many signs saying that overnight camping not allowed, no sleeping in vehicles, like huge fines and penalties apply, so it wasn't really a van-friendly town, which really sucked. Because we've heard like such great things about it, but everything just looked so expensive, it was so busy. Like granted it was on a Sunday after the floods, so like it was a Sunday, everyone was out and about, it was the first sunny day, but yeah, anyway, Noosa, not for us unfortunately. We have a caravan park booked for a couple of nights, so that should be good. We can get our laundry done, we can have showers, we can have power and water, and Rowan's going to a Bucks party, and then it's our anniversary, so yeah, it's a good little weekend. We're going to treat ourselves to a caravan park.
I'm hoping, waiting, wishing on a star. Dreaming about tomorrow with all my heart. Don't try to tell me that all this is wasted. Nothing is crazy, we're just hard-headed. Broken ain't nothing if you're fighting something.
Papa and I thought we heard Rowan's plane and we were so excited. We were waiting to see them jump, but their jump was cancelled, so that's a bit sad. Hopefully they'll get to do another jump soon, but in the meantime they're going to have the best weekend at their Bucks. Currently listening to a bunch of Taylor Swift songs while it's pouring rain outside, and it's a vibe. How can you not love Taylor Swift? do it. Oh, everything's just a puddle. Good job, bud. You did well. Look at your scruff. I'm drenched.